Have you ever wondered if your constant need to check the stove or wash your hands might be more than just a habit? Or perhaps you've noticed a loved one repeatedly organizing their belongings in a specific order, far beyond what seems necessary. These behaviors could be signs of obsessive-compulsive disorder or OCD, a condition that quietly affects millions. OCD is not merely a preference for cleanliness or order, it's a chronic mental health disorder where individuals are plagued by distressing thoughts and driven to perform repetitive actions in an attempt to find relief. The good news is that OCD is treatable. In some cases, medication can also play a crucial role in managing symptoms. If you or someone you know is struggling with these symptoms, seeking help is essential. At BlueSky Telepsych, we understand the unique challenges of living with OCD and are dedicated to providing compassionate, personalized care. Visit us at www.blueskytelepsych.com to learn how we can support you on your journey to healing.